Okay, guys. So like I promised you guys, I'll be dropping some Expo here. So I'm looking at buying VIX25 one is. You can see right here. Though I saw it, the problem, the main thing here, you must be disciplined, right? You must be disciplined. Yeah. I have my own trading plan. Yeah, I have my strategy. Though I saw right from the jump that price will be pushing up to this level because you can see here we have a double bottom here. I have the first bottom and the second bottom right here. Okay, then price push up very strong from that level and broken this line we had here. It has been respecting over time. Then I saw price around this level. I saw price around this level, but since price has been respecting this line here, I didn't want to just jump in and buy because I might just jump in, from here to here, and price might reverse back from here, might come, it might reverse from here down to this level, right? So that's why I could not enter, open a position here. But I was so certain that price is going up, so I just wanted a good confirmation. So I decided to wait for price to break this line here, up here. Then I expect price to come back to retest this level here. Then I'll buy around this level here. Once price gets around this level and I see some sort of rejection, bearish rejection, yeah, then I'll look for open a buy position around that level to take profits around this level here, because this is a double bottom. You see the first bottom, this is the second bottom, and the leg of this bottom is around this level here, because this is where this structure started from here to here. So it might want to get back to this level to close, like to finish the structure around this level here. Okay, and another thing you need to know about when we see a double bottom like this, when we see a double bottom, we, after this level, let me call this place neckline. Once this neckline is broken, once this neckline is broken, price comes back most times back to the neckline to test the neckline. Yeah, like give the final kiss, the last kiss, then we find an entry around that level up to this level. But what I'm saying here, the pressure is really high. The bullish pressure is really high. We have more buyers in the market. They've seen the pressed out and they are quickly taking advantage of the pressed out. So I don't think price will come down to this level again. It might come down, anything is possible when it comes to trading here. Okay, so I think we've missed this one now. VIX25 one is, we just missed the opportunity. We would have opened a position around here, but it's okay, it's fine. I just had to follow my trading plan, right? So that's it. Then remember earlier, okay, yesterday I dropped this analysis on VIX10 one is. Remember when I told you we had price around this level here, we open at this level, and I told you that price will be going up to this level. That's why I placed my SL above that structure there. The price will be going up to this level to retest this level for dropping. You see exactly what happened. I so much time I did not remove my analysis. You see the arrow, the way I placed the arrow, and price has respected everything just as predicted, just as analyzed, right? And price went back to this level. And when price reached this level, at that very point, price reversed at that very point again. So this is it, guys. Price action is the king. Price action is the king. I know you might be learning, you maybe learn price action from some other mentors and it seems not working. Trust me, bro. I can give you the very best. Okay. I'll show you exactly how it's done. I'll share my knowledge, everything. I give you everything I know about trading. Okay. So imagine this, predicting the market and market just play out everything exactly how I predicted the market. I analyzed it, right? So this is it. I know indicator strategies is working for you, right? It's working for you, but trust me, price action is the best because indicator follows candles like this, follows candles like this. What when candles kind of move to the left, up, it follows candles, down, it follows candles, but it does not have like, I don't know how to put it. It follows candle, yeah, it follows the market. It's behind the market, lacking behind the market. The price action is ahead of the market. Okay, price action, you know what's going to happen next. After a breakout, this is what's going to happen, this is what's going to happen. You follow that and you make your money. Okay, so That's for VIX 1 ace. You can see that, and for this, I'm not sure we're gonna make it. But let me see. It breaks this level here. It breaks this level here. Then there's nothing I can do. It breaks that level that it is. Then I'm staying out that level right there. Okay, so VIX 50. Yeah, VIX 50. I gave VIX 50 yesterday as well, and I told you exactly the same thing. This thing is doing. VIX 1 ace is doing. You see, price went up. Our entry was somewhere here. We entered around this level here, right? We entered around this level here, and I told you guys price would be pushing up to this level before dropping again. And price is dropping again, but it didn't give me good reason to sell at this level. It didn't see those candlesticks to sell at this level, so price will be dropping below this structure again, down to this level. Okay, that's for VIX 51 ace. Okay, we missed that one again, and 75, 75. I'm still expecting sell 75. Let me delete. I think I should delete all this. Okay. If you check on the 4 hours, 4 hours time frame, I told you this is a head and shoulder. This is a head and shoulder chart pattern. So we have here the left shoulder. It's the head. Something's wrong. Yes. Okay. So we have here the left shoulder. Okay. We have the head right there. Coming. Looks somehow right. We have the head right there. Let me remove this. Let me remove everything here. Uh-oh. All this stuff. So sorry, guys. Okay, so let me bring that in again. Okay, so you can see that, right? That's it. This is it, guys. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Then once price breaks that level, what happens most times, price will go down, like what we just experienced here, then push up again to the neckline. This neckline should drop in again to complete the leg. This is where the structure started. This is where the structure started. So price will be pushing down, go down to that level that where the structure started, right? So yeah, so that's why I told you guys that VIX75 will be going up to the neckline, then drop again. Do you understand? You might see these candlesticks above this level, the neckline level. That's because this is the area. This is a zone and it's an area whereby price can react anyhow. It might go above that level or below the level. With the main thing is price gonna respect that level, right? So price has respected that level. So I'm expecting price to drop from that level down to this level. But if it does not drop, you know, uh, it has the final say. Market has the right to do whatever pleases the market. Okay, so that's it, guys, for VIX75. Then VIX 51 is, I'm still expecting price to drop down to this level here. If it doesn't drop, then we don't scale ourselves. Then 25 on is 25 on is might do exactly what we are looking for, exactly what I want. Okay, it might do exactly what I want. Okay, so that's it for VIX 25 one is. So I'm expecting price to drop down to this level again, this level here that we have here. Then I'll give a buy signal from this level to this level. And yeah, so this one here, I'm not touching this one because I know this one might, I'm not touching this one. I'm not touching this one. I'm not touch that one. So let me check step index. No, that's not step. This is step index. Okay, step index. I'm expecting price to go below this level. Price to come below this level here. This line we have here. Then push up again to that level. I'm teaching you guys this for free. For free. The main reason for you to subscribe to the channel, then price drops. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting from the markets, right? So make sure that you join the free Telegram channel, subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping this like every day. I'll be dropping this like every day. You stay with me, you're gonna learn so much and grow with me. Okay, and let me be your mentor today. Okay, if you don't choose me as your mentor, I'll advise you to make sure that you learn price action. You can choose any other person, pick any other mentor and learn price action. And please don't send your money to anybody. Don't send money to anybody to trade for you. Okay, like send money to somebody unless it's account management, but don't send money to anybody to trade for you. Okay, it does not work, right? So that's it, guys. I'll drop the results after everything. I'll show you step index, what happened on step index. If price respected our analysis, went down below this level, push up to this level, then drop. Okay, where it where price goes up to this level or not, the main thing is I'm expecting price to drop down, right? I'm expecting sell. I'm expecting this sell since, but it's still running around, roaming around that level. So I'm expecting sell down to this level. So I'll update you guys again, maybe tomorrow or later today, what's happened. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. I love you. Bye-bye.